What's up guys, it's Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I got a really interesting product to review. I've reviewed all sorts of earbuds and headphones and earphones and some of the best brands from Sony 1000XM4s to the AirPods Max. All of them are on our channel. A lot of the Tozo earbuds that are affordable. And today I wanted to go ahead and review something kind of interesting that I wanted to get for myself, as well as check it out. It's a music sleep mask. This one's made by Watad Gafer. How do you say that? I don't know. Anyway, so these are supposedly a concentration or sleep mask that is Bluetooth. I get to unbox it and review it. It's about $20 or so, and there's many different versions on Amazon. The link is below. Now, if you're interested in this product, I'll let you know what I think. This might be a great product for motivation, concentration, and a lot of people use it for sleep to play really good music while their eyes are shielded. So I get to put these on and you can make fun of me after. Before I get into unboxing these and get into this video, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product, tech news, releases and leaks, and everything tech related. Let's get into this video. All right, music sleep mask. Who would have known I need it? Why do I need this thing? Well, my wife usually watches a lot of TV when I go to sleep, and I don't want to hear her desperate housewives, so I need something like this. One, it shields your eyes, blacks out the room. Two, you could listen to any music that you want or anything to get away from all those women screaming on TV.
Sorry, I didn't give you the evil eye. I did not give you the evil eye, okay? I didn't give her the evil eye. What's your problem?
So that's why I have this product. Let's see if it works. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open these. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, this is what's included. The manual, pretty self-explanatory. Packing list, you got 2 to 2.5 hours of charge time before use, 8-hour battery life it says. And then you could play, pause, and turn up the volume. Connect to Bluetooth by pressing the play and pause button and holding it. And that's pretty much it. So let's look inside. I don't suspect these to be very intuitive. Now, here they are, guys. So this is the manual. Play and pause, and also pair and Bluetooth, and you have your volume up and down. This feels like the stuff you see at the airport when you're flying and that you want to get a nice, comfortable, warm sleeping mask. You can see the speakers are right here. Now you could remove these from here and actually wash this mask after a while. So there's nothing in here. You have your nose guard, and then you have basically the speakers in here, which you could remove from these pockets and reposition them. Charging, you're supposed to charge these. Once I guess you're done, you go ahead and pop these in like so. Hopefully they don't get in your comfort way, okay? Let's try these on so you guys can make fun of me. Total blackout, guys. I can't see a dang thing. How do I look? My ears are about where the speakers are. I think you could adjust it as well. Super comfortable mask. It smells a little funky coming out of the packaging, so I will be honest. You know, you got your Velcro on the back, suede feel, or velvet suede, I guess, feel on the front. Neoprene, or this type of texture here. Looks like it's a little water resistant or sweat resistant, but you'll definitely be able to wash these in the washer and dryer after you remove your speakers. All right, let's get these paired up and let's see how they are. Go into the Bluetooth setting, and I'm holding the button. It says power on. Oh, there they are. Finally detected it. So they're connected. All right, let's hear some music. I'm gonna go ahead and strap these on as tight as I can to get no light. Oh, I should have done, how do I look? I should have selected a song first. Now, I got these for calm, right? So I'm gonna go rainforest on this. I want something that's gonna relax me, put me to sleep. Oh yeah, jungle stuff. Let's get into it. I gotta turn it up. The speakers aren't as good on these. So if there's some surround sound, these aren't gonna like shield that or noise cancel it at all. So very like minimal speaker sound is coming out, to be honest, and they're positioned pretty well. I wouldn't say they're right where my earlobe is, so maybe there's an adjustment for them. And yeah, you can move them around, and I just did. So I'll push the speaker a little bit further to my earlobe. Yeah, man, I feel like I'm at a spa. Okay. This sleep mask is pretty badass. I really like it. Just take 5 minutes a day to yourself. Can't see anything, breathe slowly. Imagine if I fell asleep on this video, huh? Anyway, this sleep mask is pretty cool. It does get really loud. I feel like I have to turn it up to the maximum to hear it. Let me play a song, and I'm just gonna play one song on these instead of rainforest music to see how the quality of the sound comes through. I'll play country music, and let's see, what are today's country? Let's shuffle it. Again? Oh yeah. I don't know what song's being played, but here it is. Ooh. They're pretty loud. At max volume playing the country song, I can't hear my top song. Yeah, I like it. Put on those records from George Jones to Street. I love it. All right, so this is for 20 bucks. In my opinion, totally worth it. No bass coming out of these little speakers. In fact, the speakers are in here. So if you look at the speaker, I had to adjust it, okay? It did not fit where my ear was. Here's the speaker. I pulled it out for you guys, and you could see it here on the overhead camera. So these pop in. Now you have to pull these out to get basically the washing going, but you could adjust them anywhere along the side here. You could pull the speaker out and you could pop it back into the sleeve and adjust the position any way you like. So I am gonna go ahead and adjust it to where my ear fits perfect so I could get the maximum out of them. Overall, the sleep mask, really neat. I find myself potentially using these again when I want some privacy, quiet time, dimming the lights in the house if I'm in a bright environment, also concentration. For $20, pretty cool face mask with audio. Absolutely no bass from these little speakers, so you're gonna get the bare minimum of sound quality. Could you do the same thing and get a face mask and use much better earbuds or earphones? Absolutely. I would probably opt for a nice mask like this, pop my own earbuds in that are noise canceling, and really get the full experience. So 20 bucks, maybe a good gift, maybe a good product, but definitely not going to be the same quality as professional earbuds with a same quality face mask. Hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Thanks for watching.